Good morning, students. Today we will discuss activity 3.10. Okay, in this activity it is asked to take different metals, for example sodium, potassium, calcium, iron, zinc, lead, aluminium. So different metals you have to take and you have to check their reactivity with cold water, hot water and steam. So different metals having different reactivity. Some are highly reactive, some are moderate, and some are least reactive. So whenever metal reacts with water, there is formation of metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. Further, metal oxide that reacts with water to give metal hydroxide. Okay. So first case is reaction of sodium and potassium. These are highly reactive metals. Okay. So these metals can react even with cold water. So when there is a reaction with water, okay, there will be formation of sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. In case of sodium, there is formation of sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas when sodium reacts with water. And 2 we are using it to balance. We have already discussed it. And second is when potassium reacts with water, there is formation of potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Next is reaction with hot water. Those reactions which are not those metals which are not reacting with cold water, they can react with hot water. The example of this type of metal is calcium. Okay, this metal is less reactive with cold water. It reacts with hot water to form calcium hydroxide. We know that how to write calcium hydroxide. Okay, CaOH. The valency of hydroxide is 1 and of calcium is 2. So you can write CaOH twice. Okay, we are not going to write it as CaOH. Okay, because we have already know that how to write chemical formulas in 9th class we have studied. Okay, so in this way you will write the chemical formulas. One more thing, that these two metals are highly reactive. It means that hydrogen gas which is liberating in this reaction, that catches fire vigorously. Okay, but this is not the case with calcium. The hydrogen gas which is which is product of this reaction, that will not catch fire. Okay, vigorously. Next is those metals which are less reactive. Okay, as compared to the sodium, potassium, calcium. The example of these are iron, zinc, aluminium. These metals do not react with the hot water even. They react with steam, hot steam. Okay, for example, when aluminium is reacting with steam, here this H2O is in a steam form. Okay, there is formation of aluminium hydroxide and hydrogen gas, and these numbers are to balance this equation. Further, there are some other metals which do not react at all, even not with cold water, not with hot water, and not even with steam. The examples of these metals is lead, copper, silver, gold. Okay, you might have seen that gold jewelry that does not react with cold water, hot water, or steam. Okay, this is the trend, that which one is more reactive. Sodium is more reactive as compared to the potassium, which is more reactive as compared to the calcium, which is more reactive as compared to zinc, then iron, then aluminium. I have already given you trick to remember